Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. So my friend invited me for a baby shower she was throwing for her sister-in-law. It's their first baby, so I thought to do something different for parents to be. So today I'm sharing something different and unique baby shower gift idea with you all. So right after your little bundle of joy arrives, your world immediately changes. You get so busy that it's hard to get enough time to spend with your significant other. At the same time, even if you want to, you might not feel comfortable leaving your newborn with the babysitter. So I bought this movie night set for them for perfect cozy movie night at home. After putting baby down for bed, they can spend some extra quality time together. And this glamour set comes with 2 tumblers and a popcorn holder, thoughtful and stylish. And then I designed this cute little card for them which goes along with the set, something for the baby and lots of wishes and prayers for the parents to be. And of course, baby was not left behind. As you guys must have guessed up till now, it's a boy. So I bought this little prince frame for the baby. They can hang it on the wall, or it comes with little towels so they can keep it on the table by the nursery. And then my girls designed this handmade card which goes with the baby's present. And then some cutest clothes and accessories for the baby. So do you or you know someone who have a sweet new bundle of joy? If so, then this perfect date night idea is just for you. And if you have some other ideas, please leave them in a comment down below. I would love to see them. And if you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I try to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this idea, click on the links to explore more ideas like this.